Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the Google TV device is on and visible on the network. Open Settings, then Network, and look for available Wi-Fi networks and signal strength. Check the router is powered and the internet light shows a stable connection. Move the device within 3 to 5 feet of the router temporarily to test signal and rule out range issues. Verify the Wi-Fi password is correct and that your router uses WPA2 or WPA3 security. Reboot both the Google TV device and the router by unplugging power for 30 seconds. If the device shows the network but cannot connect, forget the network and reconnect with the correct password. Check for system updates under Settings, then System, and apply any available updates to improve network compatibility. Clear app cache for streaming apps that fail to load content after connecting. If problems persist, sign out of your Google account and sign back in to refresh cloud settings. Perform a factory reset only after backing up apps and account info and when other steps fail. After reset, recheck Wi-Fi and apply updates before reinstalling apps. If basic steps fail, inspect router settings for interference and channel congestion. Try switching the router band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz to improve stability and range trade-offs. Change the Wi-Fi channel to 1, 6, or 11 on 4 GHz to reduce overlap from neighboring networks. Disable MAC filtering or add the Google TV MAC address to the router, allow list to avoid blocked access. Set a static IP on the device or reserve an IP in the router if DHCP causes connection drops. Contact your ISP or device support if persistent outages or modem issues continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.